channel. Today we are going to discuss about cell cycle. Why we need to study cell cycle? Because the only way to make a new cell is to duplicate a cell that already exists. This simple fact first established in middle of 19th century. All living organisms from unicellular bacterium to multicellular mammal are product of repeated rounds of cell growth and division. But cell cycle key. A cell reproduces by performing an orderly sequence of events in which it duplicates its content and then divides in two. এই যে সাইকেল অফ ডুপ্লিকেশন অ্যান্ড ডিভিশনটাকেই বলা হয় সেল সাইকেল, যেটা কিনা একটা এসেনশিয়াল মেকানিজম by which all living thing reproduces. In unicellular species such as bacteria, yeast, each cell division produces a complete new organism. In multicellular species, long and complex sequence of cell division are required to produce a functioning organism. At a minimum, the cell must accomplish its most fundamental task, that is, the passing of its genetic information to the next generation of cell. To produce two genetically identical daughter cells, the DNA in each chromosome must first be faithfully replicated to produce two complete copies. The replicated chromosome must then be accurately distributed to two daughter cells so that each receives a copy of entire genome. So, what is the basic function of cell cycle? আমাদের সেল সাইকেলের বেসিক ফাংশন হলো টু ডুপ্লিকেট ভাস্ট অ্যামাউন্ট অফ ডিএনএ ইন দি ক্রোমোজোম, তারপরে সেগ্রিগেট দ্য কপিস ইন্টু টু জেনেটিক্যালি identical daughter cell. Now, the process define the two major phases of the cell cycle. Number one কি S phase, যেখানে ক্রোমোজোম ডুপ্লিকেশন occurs. S for কি? S for synthesis. Here S means DNA synthesis. Actually, S phase require 10 to 12 hours. After S phase, chromosome segregation and cell division occur in M phase. M for কি? M for mitosis, যেটা কিনা মোটামুটি 1 hour টাইম নেয়। এখন M phase comprises two major events. Number one, nuclear division অথবা mitosis, during which copied chromosome are distributed into a pair of daughter nuclei. And the second one is cytoplasmic division or cytokinesis, when cell itself divides into two. Okay, now most of the cell require much more time to grow and double their mass of protein and organelle than they require to duplicate their chromosome and divide. Actually, most cells have gap phases. Gap phases কারা? না, গ্যাপ ফেজেস হচ্ছে G1 ফেজেস, যেটা কিনা কোথায় রয়েছে, এম ফেজ অ্যান্ড এস ফেজের মাঝামাঝি। এম ফর মাইটোসিস অ্যান্ড এস ফর সিনথেসিস। অ্যান্ড সেকেন্ড ওয়ান ইজ G2 ফেজেস, যেটা কোথায় রয়েছে, যেটা এস ফেজ অ্যান্ড এম ফেজের মাঝামাঝি জায়গায় রয়েছে। So, eukaryotic cell traditionally divided into 4 sequential phases. Kiki? G1, S, G2 and M. এই যে G1, S, G2 এইটা টাইম নিচ্ছে 23 hour to complete their phase and M phase takes 1 hour only. Cell growth occurred throughout the cell cycle except during mitosis. Cell growth occurred throughout the cell cycle except what? Except during mitosis. Okay. In most eukaryotic cells, the cell cycle control system governs cell cycle progression at 3 major regulatory transitions. First one is start or restriction point in the late G1, where the cell commits to cell cycle entry and chromosome duplication. The second one is G2 to M transition, where the control system triggers the early mitotic events that lead to chromosome alignment on the mitotic spindle in metaphase. And the third one is metaphase to anaphase transition, where the control system stimulates sister chromatid separation, leading to the completion of mitosis and cytokinesis. এখন প্রশ্ন হলো, হোয়াট ইজ গ্যাপ ফেজেস? এই যে দুটো গ্যাপ ফেজেস G1 and G2, these two gap phases are more than simple time delay to allow cell growth. They also provide time for the cell to monitor the internal and external environment to ensure that conditions are suitable and preparation are complete before the cell commits itself to S and M phase. If extracellular conditions are unfavorable, for example, cells delay progress through G1 and may even enter a specialized resting state. Resting state মানে G0 phase, যেখানে তারা days, weeks spend করতে পারে. If some malfunction prevents the successful completion of DNA synthesis, then signals are sent to control system to delay progression to M phase. Such delay provide time for the machinery to be repaired. Now, who are the central component of cell cycle control system? Central component of cell cycle control system are membrane of family of protein kinase, যেটা known as CDK. CDK মানে cyclin dependent kinase. Activities of these kinase rises and fall as the cell progresses through this cycle. For example, an increase in the CDK activity at G2 to M transition increases phosphorylation of protein that control chromosome condensation, nuclear envelope breakdown, and other events occur in the early mitosis. Cyclical changes in CDK activity are controlled by cyclin. CDK, as their name implies, are dependent on cyclin. CDK cyclin dependent kinase. তাই সাইক্লিনের ওপর ডিপেন্ড করে সিডিকে অ্যাক্টিভিটি। ওকে, যখন সাইক্লিন সিডিকের সাথে টাইটলি বাউন্ড করে তখন সিডিকে অ্যাক্টিভ হয়। ওকে, cyclin were originally named because they undergo a cycle of synthesis and degradation in each cell cycle. But level of CDK protein are constant. So cyclical changes in cyclin protein level results in the cyclic assembly and activation of cyclin CDK complexes at specific stage of cell cycle. Now, how CDK become activate? This is the inactive state. যখন সাইক্লিন সিডিকের সাথে বাইন্ড করেনি তখন সিডিকে ইনঅ্যাক্টিভ স্টেটে রয়েছে। অ্যাক্টিভ সাইট ইজ ব্লকড বাই আ রিজিয়ন অফ প্রোটিন which is known as T loop. The binding of cyclin causes the T loop to move out of the active site, resulting in partial activation of CDK. Then, phosphorylation of CDK at a threonine residue in the T loop further activate the enzyme by changing the shape of T loop. Okay. Now, there are 4 classes of cyclin, each defined by the stage of cell cycle at which they bind CDK. Okay. Here we can see G1 phase. G1 cyclin is cyclin D and CDK are CDK4 and CDK6. In G1S phase, the cyclin is cyclin E and CDK2. And in S phase, cyclin A and CDK2 becomes activate. And lastly, in M phase, cyclin B and CDK1 perform their function. Okay. Here, G1A cyclin activate CDK in the late G1 and thereby help trigger progression through start, resulting in a commitment to cell cycle entry. This level falls in S phase. Okay. Then S cyclin binds CDK soon after progression through start and help stimulate chromosome duplication. S cyclin level remain elevated until mitosis. Okay. And these cyclin also contribute to the control of some early mitotic events. Lastly, M-cyclin activate CDK that stimulate entry into mitosis at the G2 to M transition. M-cyclin level fall in the mid mitosis. Okay? Mitosis is divided in 5 phases. First one is interphase, where the nucleolus and the nuclear envelope are distinct and the chromosomes are in the form of thread-like chromatin. And the second one is prophase, where the chromosomes appear condensed and the nuclear envelope is not apparent. And the third one is metaphase, where thick coiled chromosome, each with two chromatids, are lined up on the metaphase plate. And fourth one is anaphase. The chromatid of each chromosome have separate and are moving toward the pole. And the last one is telophase, where the chromosomes are at the poles and are becoming more diffuse. The nuclear envelope is reforming, the cytoplasm may be dividing. And lastly, in cytokinesis, division into two daughter cells is completed. Then metaphase to anaphase transition. APC by C played key role behind the metaphase to anaphase transition. APC, which is known as anaphase promoting complex, and C is cyclosome. APC first activated by CDC20. When APC by C activated by CDC20, it cleaves M cyclin. Okay. So now M cyclin CDK complex is degraded. Okay. And another protein which is degraded by APC by C is securin. Securin, which protect the protein linkage that hold sister chromatid pairs together in early mitosis. Now, destruction of securin in metaphase activates a protease. Protease means that is separase. Now, separase separate the sister chromatid and unleashes anaphase. CDK activity can be suppressed by inhibitory protein. Binding of CDK inhibitor protein, that is CKI, causes cell cycle arrest and form a complex cyclin CDK CKI. When P27 bind with cyclin CDK, then cyclin CDK become inactivate and inactive P27 cyclin CDK complex can be formed. P53 known as guardian of genome. But why? When DNA is damaged, various protein kinases are recruited to the site of damage and initiate a signaling pathway that causes cell cycle arrest. The first kinase at the damaged site is either ATM or ATR depending on the type of damage. Additional protein kinase called CHK1 and CHK2 are then recruited and activated, resulting in phosphorylation of transcription regulatory protein P53. Normally কি হয় না P53 bind with MDM2. Okay, MDM2 normally binds with P53 and promotes its ubiquitination and destruction in proteasome. Phosphorylation of P53 blocks its binding to MDM2. As a result, P53 accumulates to high level and stimulates transcription of numerous genes, including P21. Okay. Then inactive cyclin CDK P21 complex can be formed and cell cycle arrest occur. After DNA repair, cell cycle can be restored. Okay. Thank you guys. If you have any doubt regarding this video, you can comment in our comment section. Okay. Thank you.